If you've ever tried to send a Pro Tools session to another engineer, you know how quickly things get messy. Uploads, downloads, duplicate versions, missing files, and that cycle rotates over and over. So in this video, I'll show you why the traditional way to send a Pro Tools session keeps breaking down and the shared workflow that teams are replacing it with that eliminates downloads, duplicate sessions, and missing files altogether. Let's start with what's actually inside a Pro Tools session. Think of your session file as a map. It tells Pro Tools where your recordings live, where your fades are, and where your clips are located. But the session file itself doesn't actually contain any of that media. So when you just send the session file to another engineer, they open it and Pro Tools immediately starts asking where everything is. So how do we fix this? The traditional workflow looks like this. Inside Pro Tools, you go to File and click Save Copy In. Then you enable all audio files. This tells Pro Tools to collect every single file in the session and put it into one folder. Then you zip that folder, upload it, and send it to your collaborator. They can then download everything, open the session, and start working. But there's still a problem, because the second that they make any changes, now they have their own copy. So they have to zip it again, upload it again, send it again, and then you have to download it again. Every single revision turns into another file transfer. And eventually you've got mix v3, mix v4, mix v4 final, mix v4 final, really final, so on and so forth. And everyone is always working from a different local copy of the same session, which is usually where things start breaking. So how do I send a Pro Tools session without giving myself a massive headache? Well, first, let's start by reframing the thought process behind our files. Instead of treating files as something that we need to send back and forth, we need to start treating them as something that we give access to. And that's the exact model that LucidLink was built on. Instead of downloading and uploading your sessions, with LucidLink, everything lives in one centralized cloud file space that functions like a local drive. So your team saves the entire project in your shared LucidLink file space, the session file, the recordings, mix stems, and reference tracks. And everyone can simply open and work from the same shared Pro Tools session with no downloads and no missing files. This is because the LucidLink file space mirrors the folder structure and directories across your entire team. And this changes your workflow completely because instead of downloading, mixing, re-uploading, and repeating that cycle, you just open your session, make your edits, save the session, and the other engineers can see your changes immediately. This also solves one of the biggest reasons that sessions open with missing files. Like we discussed earlier, your session file is your map to where all of your media lives. And when every engineer has their own local copy, that map is different for everyone. One engineer stores the session on an external SSD. Another one keeps it in their documents, someone else doesn't move it from their downloads folder, and technically everyone has the same files, but they're all in different locations, which is why Pro Tools makes you relink the media. But with LucidLink, all of your files are in the same place for everyone. So as long as all of your session files are stored in the LucidLink file space, everyone can access the same files in the same session at the same time, because you're all working from one shared source of truth. And because LucidLink streams files directly from the shared file space, instead of waiting on your session to sync or download every single time you go to make edits, your engineers can start working almost immediately. And as your sessions grow, this becomes a huge time saver, especially when they contain hundreds of tracks, high sample rate recordings, or large stem folders. So how do you send a Pro Tools session? Traditionally, you would create a copy of all of your files in a zip folder and upload them to be downloaded by the rest of your team. But if you want a more seamless collaboration workflow for you and your team, the better solution is to stop sending sessions altogether. Keep the entire project inside a shared LucidLink file space and let everyone work from the same session in real time, with no missing files, no endless downloads, and no duplicate versions. Just a workflow that's built for collaboration instead of file transfers. If you want to learn how you can collaborate on large files without downloading, check out this next video and subscribe for more videos where we'll show you how you can make your workflow actually flow.